All right, everyone. So this is labeled as a retake quiz, but really what we've got going on here is we are just running this as a practice quiz for you. So yeah, don't worry about that. The fact that it says it's a retake of it. This is just our practice version. Okay, so area of a trapezoid. Everything here that we're doing today is working off our formulas. So I always like to get my formulas down first. Half of the height with the bases added together. There's another formula that you might see as well. All right. Um, sorry, that's an or. Area is going to be the height with the bases added together and then divided by 2. It's not going to make a difference. So we'll walk you through both of them there. So the things that we do want to keep in mind is the bases, all right, are always the parallel sides. They always have to be on the top and the bottom. It's the parallel sides. So if your trapezoid gets spun around, it might be on the left and right. So I can fill that in. So 7 plus 15. All right, inside parentheses, the height. The height always connects the two bases. So I can see that is my dotted line that's right there. Not only does it connect the bases, but it needs to form a right angle. Remember, it's the height. The height, when you measure your height, we don't tell you to lean to the side. We tell you to stand straight up and down. So, and then you're going to multiply that times a half. All right. So order of operations here, you could just slam it all in your calculator at once. Use 0.5 as your 1/2 that's there. But anyway, I see a 22 that's here. All right, I need to multiply that times 9 times a half. I don't want to take half of 9 because that's a decimal. But if I'm using my calculator, I can just put it in. But I'm not right now. So I know, good for me, right? Yeah, exactly. So I'm actually going to use my properties. Just let me talk about it here. I'm going to use my 9 times 22 first because it's all multiplication. So if I do that, I get 198. And now I'm going to take half of that. So there's my answer of 99. 99 centimeters, and it's squared because of area. So let's see if we did it the other way using the other formula. We can see what happens. Same idea before. The height. The height is still 9. All right. The basis is still 7 plus 15. And then we are going to divide it by 2. So 7 plus 15 is still 22. All right. 9 times 22, all right, is going to give us that 198 again. And you can see how stuff's starting to repeat, divided by 2, and you still get your 99. So again, your choice, two different ways. The idea of taking half of something is the same thing as dividing something by 2. All right, so we're looking at parallelogram here. Our formula for the area of a parallelogram is simply base times height. And remember, base and height meet at the right angle. So I'm finding numbers that meet at the right angle, and that would be right there. So I'm just doing 3 times 13. So yeah, 39. That's it, 39 centimeters squared. Yeah, I knew I wasn't going to run out of room when I was doing this problem. When I was doing that trapezoid and how I led it to the other side. All right. And the last one here is you're finding the height of a triangle. They're telling you the area, and they're telling you the base. So again, we're all about the formula. And again, we can see this for our area of our triangle, or you could end up using this. Just kind of depends on what you like better. All right. The difference here is I've got the area. So for the area is where I'm going to plug in my 217. All right. And they told me the base is 14. I'm going to solve for the height. So again, it's just a nice little equation that's going to show up here. 217 equals, well, it's a half of 14. Well, that's 7. All right. So then I can divide both sides by 7. All right. 217 works out nice. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 7 divided by 7 is 1. So 71 is our height. Check out the other side over here. Again, area here is 217. My base is 14 times the height, which I don't know, divide by 2. So in this particular case, I'm solving the equation. The undo dividing by 2. All right, I could multiply both sides by 2. So that'll give me 434 equals 14h. And now I'm dividing both sides by 14. All right, what you'll notice is if you take half of 14, you get 7. You take half of 434, you get 217. So I know things are going to work out here, but just for fun, because it's not every day we get to do some long division that we're looking at here. All right, that's a 42. I can take one group out. We're done. Show's over, and there's my 31 again. So in that case, my height is my 31 that we're looking at. So again, either way, your choice. You can bounce back and forth, or if you struggle with one and you want to try a different one on a quiz or a test, or any reason, it can just give you more confidence that you're doing. All right, take care.